Soaring over Bangkok, one of Earth's brightest cities. From above, it's a constellation. As morning lifts, Bangkok wakes in layers. Ancient temples, river neighborhoods, and modern towers all sharing one horizon. Stay with me. We're going to read this city from the sky, following water, light, and the quiet gold of history. This is the Chao Phraya, Bangkok's heartbeat. Long before skyscrapers, this river carried trade, travelers, and entire kingdoms. From above, you can see how the city leans toward the water, how everything gathers here, where movement becomes meaning. The closer we fly, the older the story becomes, and the more golden. Look at these rooftops, layered like scales of light. Bangkok's temples aren't just buildings, they're anchors. Up here, the noise fades. The city's rhythm softens. And you can feel how devotion still holds space in the middle of everything. Gold catches the first light, like the city is quietly waking its spirit before the streets wake its speed. This is Bangkok in one frame, sacred calm surrounded by unstoppable life. The river, the temples feel even more powerful, because the water reflects them, doubling their presence. Boats cut through the current like commas in a sentence, pausing, turning, continuing, writing daily life on the surface. And away from the skyline, canals still whisper the older Bangkok. Quiet lanes of water tucked behind the city's roar. From above, it's peaceful, like the city keeps a secret version of itself, just out of reach of the traffic. Now we rise again into the modern skyline. Glass and steel stretching outward like the city is always reaching for tomorrow. Up here, everything feels infinite. Streets become threads. Buildings become symbols, and the city turns into pure pattern. And then you look down and realize it's not just a skyline, it's millions of lives stacked together, moving as one. These roads are rivers too, streams of headlights and steel, carrying Bangkok's pulse through every hour. Intersections spiral like modern art. Proof of how a city learns to move when it grows faster than its own map. And above it all, rail lines cut clean paths through the chaos. A calm line drawn through a loud city. Every bridge is a stitch. Binding neighborhoods into one living fabric. Then suddenly green. Parks appear like lungs inside the city, reminding Bangkok how to breathe. From this height, the noise becomes a memory. The city feels gentle, almost weightless. And there it is again. Bangkok's signature contrast. Calm green foreground, and towers rising behind it. Now we descend toward the city's heartbeat at street level. Markets, side streets, and endless motion under corrugated rooftops. In places like Chinatown, the city glows differently, warmer, tighter, louder. Like the streets themselves are cooking up light. This is what I love. Every block is a new world. Bangkok doesn't tell one story. It tells 1,000 at the same time. Golden hour is Bangkok's magic trick. Glass turns to fire, rooftops glow, and the river becomes a ribbon of molten light. Then the lights arrive. One by one, until the city becomes a galaxy on Earth. Bangkok's second life begins now. Neon, Movement, music, and streets that feel like they're breathing. From temples to towers, from canals to neon, Bangkok is a city of layers, best understood from the sky. If you felt that view, subscribe for more BOONAFIT virtual aerial tours. And tell me in the comments, where should we fly next?